I've never been a fan of mediocrity. When I got into this, I was determined that, I wanted to get to a certain status in the business and a certain level. It's not easy to maintain a quality that is going to be acceptable by people that have unbelievable homes. My name is JIMI CHAHALIS, and I'm the owner of Showcase Wood Flooring. I had to go through a lot of people over a lot of years to build a company. To get someone to be in your mindset, to do the floors the way you want them done, that's a difficult task. The end result is we have the right people that do consistently high-end quality work. Attention to detail. Details mean, okay, let's think of some of the details. Now, one of the things I do, I ask for furniture layouts. I want to know where the area rugs are going. I want to know where the furniture, and I call the walkways prime real estate, because you want to take your best boards. You want to show them off. You don't want them covered. You don't want them blocked. Those are the places you want to make sure those really exceptional boards go. So there's a lot to it. There's been a lot of fads. When I started in the business, the fad was white floors, pickled floors. Then the next step was dark floors. We want to do dark browns. That was the simple transition. That lasted for years. After dark brown, we came into really dark, like black, piano black. From that, I would say we went into the gray stage. Everybody wanted gray. And you gotta be very careful with gray, because gray, if you don't hit it right, it looks like concrete. I've gone through decades of fads with wood flooring, but the one thing that really passes the test of time is wide planks. What happens when you go into a regular home with a regular floor? You see a million little lines every 2 1/4. Then you see a million of the butt ends because the boards are mostly short. What does that give you? What does that transcend? That transcends chaos, because now you're looking at something so busy that your brain is not even realizing that this is chaos you've just brought into your home. We want a home that's a sanctuary, a place when we leave this world where we can go in and we can feel calm, where we can feel safe, secure, and enjoy how we feel in the home. That is something people don't get. And then they realize a floor that's 8 inches wide with 10-foot boards, there's a lot less seams. It perceives a lot different. I just love being part of something that's outstanding. I look at some of the houses that I've been in, and I'll go, I can't believe that we put that floor in that house. I can't wait to get up tomorrow and go to the next job, and meet the next person. It's never boring. It's never boring.